You guys know I love silver. I also love gold, such as these gold backs right here, and I especially love precious metals that have a story behind them. But every once in a while, something comes across my feed that makes me stop scrolling and say, okay, what in the world is that? And that happened to me recently on Instagram. I came across a company called Metalmark, and honestly, I couldn't believe what I was looking at. Gold, but not coins, not bars, not your typical bullion. These pieces are 24 karat gold, much like our gold backs, incorporated into incredible detailed designs that can be collected, displayed, stacked, traded, and honestly admired. Metalmark calls these products ARMs, and they range from fractional gold designs to artistic, limited edition themes series. This has unlocked the way that we think about gold. It's not only an investing mechanism, but always an inheritance or maybe a giving mechanism, as there are Christmas-themed and even Tooth Fairy-themed versions of gold products that Metalmark have created, meaning that your loved ones can receive gold from you as a gift, which is a bit of a deviation from traditional gold backs. And today, I bring you this box. I have no idea what's in this box. Metalmark sent me a mystery selection of their products, and we're going to open it together. And here's why this gets even better. At least one of the things in this box is going to be going to one of you. That's right, I'm going to be giving away at least one of the gold pieces inside this box to someone who leaves a comment on this video. So make sure you stick around to see what's inside, and make sure you subscribe to the channel because we do giveaways every single month. And while we're at it, follow me on Instagram, Culture of Currency, because that's actually where this whole thing got started. I first discovered Metalmark there and immediately thought my viewers have to see this, because we've watched the world of gold backs, as you know, and fractional gold evolve quite a bit over the years. The basic idea is an incredibly cool one. Take a small tangible amount of gold and put it into a format that's completely different than a traditional coin or round. But there's also something we have to talk about with these gold backs, and that's the premium. Because let's be honest, one of the reasons some people hesitate to buy gold backs or other fractional gold products is that when you look at the amount of gold you're getting versus the price you're paying, that premium can be tough to swallow, which is something I completely understand. And when you're stacking, you want your money working for you. You want to know how much gold you're getting, and you want to feel like you're making a smart purchase. That's one of the things I'm really interested in exploring with these Metalmark products, because it's not just about buying gold, it's about what happens when gold, art, collecting, history, and technology all collide. Metalmark has everything from artistic limited editions, including collaborations with renowned artists, to series like North American Game Fish, featuring species like trout, salmon, tuna, and bass. They offer ARMs associated with countries, including Tanzania, Ghana, and Cameroon. And some of these designs are absolutely wild, pun intended. The company says ARMs are made with 3/9 pure 24 karat gold, and their technology incorporates security features designed to make the pieces highly difficult to counterfeit. They also include serial verification for authenticity. So when I reached out to Metalmark after discovering them, I told them exactly what I thought. This is something that our community needs to see, and they totally agreed. So they told me that they thought this would be a fantastic opportunity to partner together and bring some products to you, our community. So I have the box. I have absolutely no idea what's inside, and somewhere in this box there's gold that's going home with one of you. I will have the details on how to be a part of the giveaway later in the video, but let's stop talking about it. Let's open this thing and find out what it is that Metalmark has sent us. Looks pretty well packaged to me. Alright, with looking at this little receipt, it seems that I have a 1-of-1 Metalmark standard in this order and a green death. That's what seems to be in here. So let's start with this piece right here and see what we got. All right. Oh, wow. Take a look at this. So this is 500 milligrams of 24 karat gold. This is their standard Aurum, which is kind of their baseline product. And honestly, in first touch, it is a lot more thick than I thought it would be. A beautiful, beautiful piece. If you've held a goldback, it's much like that, but it actually feels more like you're holding metal than it does the laminated products that you feel on a standard goldback. So let me give you this one, for example. This feels a bit more like it's polymerized. This feels almost like it's very thick aluminum foil. It's a beautiful piece. I don't know if the camera's picking that up with the glare, but that is 24 karat gold. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. 500 milligrams, 3 nines pure. Lots of geometry going on here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Has a lot of specifications over on this side. All right, so we have this piece right here, which is their 500 milligram gold. Put it back in its little sleeve here. And let's see what this heavy thing is. It feels like it's a box, but I have no idea. Oh yes. Take a look at the packaging here, folks. That is a beautiful box. Absolutely gorgeous. Very smooth finish. Looks like there's your opening right there. So let's see what is in this. Wow. Okay, so we have a silica pack. No, something's important in here. So right here, certificate of authenticity, and that's a very thick piece of cardstock, that is. There's a code here, probably for that. Green Death, 1967, Frank Frazetta. And I think, I'm not positive, but I think this is an artist who is known for comic book art and kind of fantasy art back in the, maybe it was 60s and 70s, not sure. This is a first edition, and looky here, this is number 1 of 2000. How crazy is that? I've had so many products that have really cool, unique mintages. This is number 1 of 2000. Oh my gosh, I am honored to hold this piece. Wow, how cool is that? So let's take a look at it. Beautiful. It is thick, and it looks like it's an image. I'm trying to get my lights to help this out. It's not doing the best job, but you have a man here, and he's wrestling a snake. I assume that's the Green Death, sword in hand. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. We have the 250 right here. It looks like the signature. We've got the Metal Mark logo right there, that monarch. It says here 250 milligrams of 999 pure 24 silver. Oh wow. And what's even more, check that out. So this is something that's different from your gold backs. Here we have gold backs here. It's really nothing on the back. This is a completely unique image. It's zoomed in on the head of our artwork here. We have the snake there. We have this red line here. Let me see what that says. Metalmark.com. Privately issued, not US dollar legal tender. Gorgeous. We have the artist series, the 1 of 2000 right there, the name of the artist, information. How amazing is that? I can't even begin to tell you how gorgeous that is. Wow. Okay. So let's take it out and try to be very gentle with it. Give it a closer look here. Look at the beauty of that scene. How amazing is that? And it's all gold, friends. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous product. I know my lighting is not doing very well with this, and that is one of the things notable about these gold products is that holding them in the hand and seeing them on camera are two completely separate things. I'm trying my best to bring it to you, but I'm having a little bit of difficulty. But it is absolutely outstanding, the depth that you get in these products. Holy cow. Metal Mark has outdone themselves. Definitely a very cool idea, a very cool company. And I'm so excited to bring this to my viewers. I'm hoping many of you will go check them out. And speaking of that, how you can win gold today, let's talk about that. What I want you to do, if you want to enter this contest, is I want you to go to their website, which is that metalmark.com. I'll put a link right there. And I want you to go there, peruse their website, and I want you to tell me if you are to basically have a gift card for one item on their list, and money is not an issue. It's not about how rare it is or whatever. It's just the design you like the most. That's what I want. I want you to let me know in the comments below, after you've perused their website, what is the item that you would want the most. Put that down there. And then what I'll do is I'll do a drawing based on those comments. Only one comment per person, of course. And then whoever wins that, as long as you're within the United States, because I can't do $20 shipping, then I'll send you one of these gold products. And right now I'm trying to figure out which one that is, because I love them both beyond measure, and I don't know which one I'm going to send yet. So I'll have to stare at them for a while longer, but do know that one of these will be going home with one of you. Oh, so amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Metal Mark, for sending these over, and let our viewers be a part of your journey. And until next time, please remember to stay classy and current with the culture of currency.